this is Aisha of Aisha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am going to be making a t-shirt and also a tumbler. But first, I wanted to show you where I purchased my t-shirts from. I don't think I ever told you, but I get my t-shirts from Jiffy Shirts. Now, I had an order that I placed on Tuesday, and guess what? My shirts got here on Wednesday. So the shipping is super fast. I absolutely love that. So Jiffy Shirts, thank you so much if you're watching this video. So let me turn the camera around so that you can see the shirts that I have purchased. Also, I got some hoodies in here. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I went ahead and opened the box. So let's go ahead and let me show you some items that I have, these shirts. And I love Jiffy Shirts. I've been ordering from Jiffy Shirts for a really long time. So I just decided to show you the shirts and just see what type of quality these are. These are great quality. I love Gildan shirts. I've been using Gildan since I started on my Cricut, you know, doing my Cricut. So I have some black shirts. Now these shirts I'm going to be doing something too, and I think I'm going to be showing you that. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, so that you will see what I be doing, because everything I don't put here on YouTube, but this is a hoodie. My daughter wanted me to do something for her, so I'm going to be using one of these hoodies for her. And yeah. So as you see, these are the different shirts. Absolutely amazing. I got this hoodie for myself. And let me show you again. This is the Gildan hoodies. Very comfortable. I absolutely love them. This is the heavy blend. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all. So let me show you the tumbler that I'm going to be making. As you see, it's right here. Now I get my tumblers from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Absolutely love them. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to measure my tumbler. Everything that you see here will be linked in the description box below. Okay. So what you're going to do is just take your tumbler, take the measuring tape, and just wrap it around your tumbler just like this. So I'm going to, as you see, it's about right in this area here. So I'm just going to go with 9.5. Well, I might go just a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think 9.5 is going to work, okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my top off, and I'm just going to measure it from top, as you see right here, what I'm doing, top all the way to the bottom, okay? And that's about, I'm going to say 8.5, okay? So I'm going to do, well, actually, I already have it set on 9.5 by 8.5, okay? So that's what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be using this pink hoodie, okay? It's getting a little chilly here in Alabama, so it's time for me to start wearing my hoodies. As you see, I have my hat on today. Today is Thursday, so as you see, I'm going to be making this cute little hoodie right here, okay? Always measure your hoodies, your tumblers, whatever it is that you're putting your sublimation on. I'm going to be sublimating. This is going to be sublimation, okay? Because this hoodie is 50% cotton and also 50% polyester. Now, you can sublimate on 50-50. I will say that the higher the polyester count, the more vibrant your design will be that you put on there. But this is going to work also. All right, y'all. So my design have printed out, and let me show it to you. All right. So this is the design that I made. Super cute ginger girl. This says Merry Christmas with the ornaments. I love gingerbread men, so I decided to do a gingerbread girl. All right. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to be placing it on my tumbler. Now, in order to prepare your tumbler, use alcohol. And I have this little container with alcohol in it. And what I do is just spray it on here. Take my paper towel and just wipe it off. Okay, now this wipes any handprints, fingerprints, or any dirt, debris, or anything off of your tumbler. Okay. So make sure you have your, when you're wrapping it, make sure you have your heat tape make sure you have scissors to cut your design in case it's too long. All right, make sure you, make sure you measure it first, and make sure you have your design to wrap around it, okay? I also have this little thing that I purchased from Temu. There will be a link in the description box below for Temu. And what I do is just place it on here, and this helps hold it while I put the design around it, okay? So let me go ahead and put the design on my tumbler. Check out the videos in the description box. I have a lot of videos that shows you how to wrap tumblers, okay? All right, y'all, so one thing I want to remind you is to make sure that you keep your paper tight when you are wrapping your tumblers, okay? And just make sure that you, put your tape on there really well, okay? And so I'm just, as you see, just holding mine tight and just applying the tape just like this, okay? Just wanted to remind you of that. All right, y'all, so here's my tumbler. I have went ahead and wrapped it really well, as you see, the bottom and the top. And I have my hoodie. Let's see. I have my hoodie right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and place this design on my hoodie. And this is it right here. It's gonna be super cute. So I'm just gonna place it like right in this area right here, okay? So let's go ahead. I have my heat press set at, I think it's 350 for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to go in there and heat my tumbler up in my convection oven. So let's go. All right, everyone. So here is my hoodie right here. Again, this is the pink gilded hoodie. So I have my temperature at 350 for 60 seconds. But first, I am going to give it a pre-press. All right. So I'm going to do a pre-press probably about just a few seconds. That is just to get any moisture or anything out of your hoodie, shirt, so that it will give it a good, so that it'll sublimate well, okay? All right, so as you see, this is how it looks once I pre-pressed it. So now what I'm going to do, this is, I should have went ahead and did this first, but I always just put a little piece of butcher paper under in between my shirt or my hoodie. So I should have did that before I pre-pressed it, but it's okay. Just gonna put it right here in the area where I'm going to be adding my design. Okay, and I put some on the bottom of this right here, okay? All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come down about 4 fingers from the neckline. The neckline for me is, for this hoodie, is right here. So I'm just going to take it down for about 4 fingers to put my design. So this is my design that I created. So I'm going to come down about 4 fingers and just place it about right in this area here. Okay? All right? About right here. So what I'm going to do, just make sure it is centered as best as possible, okay? And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and tape the sides, and that's to hold it down. All right, so as you see, I have already taped it down. I'm just gonna take a piece of this butcher paper. This is one that I had before. Just always make sure you look and make sure there's no nothing on your butcher paper after you reuse it. I'm gonna reuse a piece that I've used before. So what I'm gonna do is just place it over my design just like this. And what this does, it protects the top plate of your heat press, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and close this down. Remember, 350 for 60 seconds. And make sure the pressure is firm. Have firm pressure, not too firm, but firm enough so that it, it will, the sublimation will take to whatever it is that you're placing it on, okay? So always check my firmness. That's perfect. So I'm going to let it go. All right, so it has been 60 seconds at 350. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. All right. So let's look at it. Remember I told you that when it comes to sublimation, when you can see the design through the paper, that means it took well. And can you see that? All right. So let's go ahead and take it off and see how it took, okay? Just gonna get me a little peeky peek. Woo! It's looking good, y'all. So make sure you have your heat gloves. I have mine somewhere. I use them all the time, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. This is gorgeous. Do y'all see this? Look at this. Oh, I am in love with this. I told you I love the gingerbread. I love gingerbread, especially during Christmas. And this little girl, this little gingerbread girl, she is super cute, y'all. Look at it. Let me bring you in a little closer. Hold on. Alright, so look at this, y'all. Super cute. Now, I will have this hoodie in my shop. I have started my Shopify website, my Shopify shop, where I sell my designs. Also, my Tumblers. So this will be where you can purchase it in my shop. So make sure you go over and shop with me at www.ieashadesignedit.com. All right. So let's go ahead in here, and I'm going to be sublimating my tumbler and my convection oven. All right, everyone. So here's my convection oven that I use to put my tumblers in. Now this is my tumbler. Again, I showed you how to tape it up. Also, make sure you check out my videos that I have in the description box, as well as the items that I'm using here today. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn my convection oven on, and I'm going to put it at right at 350. All right, just going to let this, I always just move this, it stays on. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it heat up to 350. Now I'm going to be using my microwave in order to do my timer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my timer at 5 minutes, and I'm going to check it halfway through. Then I'm going to turn it. You know, you really don't have to turn it unless you want to. That's just something I do. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I'm going to do it this time. And, yeah, so I'm going to set it at 5 minutes. And at around maybe 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to check it, turn it over. Then I'm going to let it go the entire 5 minutes. And then we're going to see if the design is coming through the cup. Because remember, the design coming through the cup, that means it is done, okay? All right, make sure you have your heat gloves, especially with the convection oven. Okay, so as you see, I have this timer in there, and right now the timer says 350. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and place my tumbler inside the convection oven. I'm going to place it with the tape side up, okay? So I'm just going to place it right in the middle, tape side up. Go ahead and close it, and I'm going to set my timer on my microwave for 5 minutes, and I'm just going to check it around I think I'm going to check it at 2 minutes, okay? Then I turn it over and let it go for the remainder the minutes that it have, okay? All right, so now I'm just going to take my tumbler and I'm going to turn it, okay? And I stopped it at 2 minutes like I said I would. So I just have a towel here, and I'm just going to take it and just turn it over. Okay, now the way I'm going to turn it over, I'm going to have my tape facing the bottom. Since when I put it in here, I had the tape facing the top. Okay, so I'm just going to flip it just like so. All right, I'm going to try to have it even. Close it back up, and I'm going to let it go for another 3 minutes. Okay. All right, y'all, so it has went 5 minutes. Remember, I turned it at 2 minutes, and then I let it go for another 3 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn everything off. And then I'm just going to, okay, I'm just going to open it up. And make sure you have something where, you know, when you take it out, you can just put it on. So I have this mitten here that I have. So I'm just going to take it. I'm going to use this rag here, and I'm just going to put it on this this mitten here, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it out, going to look at it, just make sure, and as you see, the design is coming through. Okay, so I'm just going to place it right here. That's just to keep it from being hot in my hand. And now I'm going to go in, let it cool off, and then we're going to reveal it and see what it looks like, okay? All right, everyone, so as you see, I went ahead and put my hoodie on. And as you see, this is the design. Again, this will be available in my shop, my website. www.ieashadesignedit.com. All right, so super cute. I love this design. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and see how the tumbler turned out. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and see how this turned out. I'm super excited. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna take it and peel it. Oh, y'all, it's looking good already. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, do y'all see that? Look at that beauty. Look at that. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. It turned out fantastic. All right, so I'm trying to get this tape off. Oh, look at the gingerbread girl peeking out. Oh, wow. And this tumbler will also be in my shop. Okay, so make sure you go and get your Christmas items. This is so nice. This is beautiful. I am so excited. Y'all, look. Let's look at this together. All right, I put Merry Christmas at the bottom. And look at my gingerbread girl. She is super cute. Isn't she lovely? So beautiful. Look at the ornaments at the top, y'all. OMG. It's gorgeous. Oh, wow. This looks amazing. So look, parent with a tumbler and a hoodie. Look at there. Y'all better go and put your order in on my website so you can go ahead and get this for Christmas. Yes, yes, yes. Gorgeous. I am so super excited, y'all. You know, Christmas is right around the corner. So my shop is open 24/7, so you can always go there and shop. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you to all of you who are supporting my channel, who leave comments. If you have a comment, leave it in the comment section below. Everything that I've used today will be in the description box. Make sure you go and check out my other videos that I have in the description box also. All right? So you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. Let me see. Peace.